Colorectal cancer is one of the most common cancers, but did you know when it is detected at an early, non-advanced stage, surgery is the cornerstone of treatment. The goal of surgery is to remove the cancerous portion of the intestine and reconnect the remaining bowel, allowing patients to return to bowel function as close to normal as possible.
Today, we commonly perform colorectal cancer surgery using minimally invasive techniques. This allows us to see the tumor location more clearly, minimize impact on surrounding organs, and create smaller incisions, resulting in less pain and faster recovery compared to traditional open surgery in the past.
Another major advancement in modern colorectal surgery is the use of the Vinci Xi robotic surgical system, which enhances the surgeon's capabilities.
The Vinci Xi robot enables us to operate with greater precision, especially in hard-to-reach areas. It offers superior control and direction, and reduce the tissue trauma, lower risk of the complications, and in many cases, help patients recover more quickly after surgery.
Advanced technology, combined with the expertise of our medical team, is elevating colorectal cancer surgery to a higher standard of effectiveness.